What's up YouTube? This is Master Renz and welcome back to my channel. So napansin nyo nag-iba ako ng angulo ngayon kasi nasiyaha yung tripod ko. Pero don't worry, mag-reaction video pa rin ako kahit nasiyaha yung tripod ko. So sa video ito, manonood tayo kay Depths of Despair na ang pamagat ay 5 scary ghost videos that will awaken your innermost anguish. Ano kayo meaning ng anguish? O, paki-comment na lang po dyan ako anong meaning. So make sure mag-subscribe kayo dito kay Depths of Despair. Diba? Napakaganda ng mga video nito. So without further ado, let's go sa go. Subscribe Depths of Despair. Let's go!
The Visitor. A mother explains that her father passed away in 2002, but suddenly on one night her 2-year-old daughter Mabel says that she can see him.
Ay!
Okay, who is it?
Daddy.
Wala ko bata to ah.
Daddy's right there.
Is it your daddy?
No, it's your daddy.
Uy, ayun
Is
nga oh.
where?
Daddy's right there.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay, show me.
See?
Oh,
Ay, ang creepy nito.
my daddy's missing me.
Mama Mia.
That's your tail.
Let's go get him. Where'd he go?
In you.
Okay, show me.
Mabel points down the hallway and tells her mum that her dad is over there. What's strange is that the 2-year-old girl has never met her grandfather, so she shouldn't know how he looks. Eventually her mum shows her a picture of him and this happens.
O bata to ah.
Yes? Yes, it looks like that.
Daddy. Daddy. Daddy.
Nakakatakot to for me. Kasi imagine ninyo, bata pa lang yan, hindi niya na-meet yung lolo niya. Kumbaga, alam niya kung ano yung nakikita niya. O alam niya kung sino yung nakikita niya, di ba? So, talagang, ang creepy nito, bata pa man din.
Yeah? And Mabel, what does your ghost do?
No.
What did you say he gave you?
Hot.
A heart?
Daddy. Daddy.
Uh-huh.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Wanted to answer some questions that I got about Mabel seeing my father who passed away and telling me that he missed me. Question is, has she ever met him? No, she's never met him. I've showed her a picture of
Okay,
him.
Benito.
She recognized him. So she calls him Daddy Ghost.
Mabel's mum feels chills run down her spine as the girl instantly recognizes her grandfather in the picture to be the ghost she has been seeing around the house, as she refers to him as Daddy Ghost, despite having never seen him before. Worried for her safety, they ask what does he do, and she says it gave her a hug. But this isn't the only time this has happened. She has seen a ghost in the house a few times on different occasions.
Just see me.
What sees you? The ghost? What are you talking about?
Come on.
Baka iba na to ha. Hindi na to yung lolo niya.
The dryer scared me, and you already freaked me out.
Oh, my own.
Ang bata, hindi nagsisinungaling yan. Tatandaan niyo yan.
What did you say?
Just see me.
Well, where is it?
Mama, touch it.
In your closet?
Yes.
What does it look like?
A daddy ghost.
A daddy ghost?
No, Mom.
Oh, your daddy ghost?
Yes, my daddy ghost.
Is he nice?
Yes. He's my son.
He's your friend? Good.
Yes.
Nakakatakot pa dito. Baka mamaya nililin lang yung bata. Diba? Yung mga ganyang scenario eh. Baka mamaya hindi pala yung daddy or lolo niya nagpapakita. Ibang entity pala yan nagpapanggap lang. Diba? Kasi bata eh. Madali pang linlangin kumbaga.
Mabel sees the ghost again, this time inside her bedroom closet, and says it's her friend. Many people believe she shouldn't interact with it, as it is something evil imitating the form of a loved
Yun,
one,
diba? Sabi
and
ko
will
nga.
eventually get worse as time goes along, especially due to the fact that it seems to be lingering in the house very often. So is this girl seeing the spirit of her grandfather, or is it something more sinister? Either way, she clearly recognized the man in the photo as her grandfather first time, which makes this all the more strange.
Yung creepy.
On
Exhibition.
May the 10th of 2025, something very strange happened inside a museum. This man had visited the museum previously and mentioned to his son that something about the place gives him the creeps. An exhibition of a woman named Maria Sabina stood out in particular, maybe because she was a spiritual practitioner and often considered a shaman, and the wax statues seemed too real. Either way, his son decided to check out this exhibition for himself and captured something chilling.
Ano, gagalaw to?
No, está perro este.
Pag ganito, magagalaw to tingin ko.
¡Ay, hijo de s***! Güey, ¿qué pedo?
The wax figure suddenly moves his head sharply out of
Ewan nga,
nowhere,
oh.
as
Di
if
ko
he were
napansin yun,
alive, noticing the man recording. The sudden motion freaks out the guy recording, but he continues, hoping to catch more on camera. But it doesn't seem to move again. He then sent this video to his father, who told him about the museum, and he felt the chills the moment he
gumalaw
saw
nga.
it, along with many others. His father started to suspect that maybe it had some sort of mechanical function that was designed to move. But the owner of the museum himself makes a follow-up video saying that it doesn't move.
¿Qué onda, amigo? No, amigo, no manejo nada de mecatrónica. Es una figura totalmente en cera. Mira, es una pieza total, rígida, no se puede manipular. Te digo, no tiene nada. Te digo, mira, te muestro. No hay cables, no hay nada. No es un robot. Es una figura totalmente en cera.
He confirms the figure is made entirely of wax, as the exhibition states, and isn't designed to move. So just how did this
Ay, may
happen?
video eh.
Unless further evidence is uncovered, this one may just remain
Saka may video. May ebidensya na gumalaw yung ulo, di ba? Siyempre nga din tong owner ng museum, pwedeng ipagtanggol na wala namang kakaiba dito sa wax na to or sa statue.
a mystery. In another video, a woman was visiting a museum and recording a prehistoric exhibition to show her friends, when something strange is captured.
Well, this is.
Well daw.
That's a little disconcerting. That thing is huge.
Uy! Gumalaw din oh. Uy!
Imagine trying to run away from that.
Parang tumingin sa kanya.
No
oh.
thanks, Jurassic Park. Gee.
As the girl records herself by the
Mamma mia,
Quetzalcoatl's
gumalaw.
skeletal replica, its head suddenly begins to lower
Oh.
and look towards her on its own. The girl didn't notice at the time until many viewers pointed it out.
I didn't notice it when I filmed the video. I didn't notice it when I edited the video. But you all kept asking if the dinosaur's head was moving, so I went back and watched my own video like a crazy person.
Some say it's due to the angle of perception, but many people are adamant that it clearly moved. It does look like its beak is pointing lower after it moved.
Oo
But
nga.
let me know what you think. In
In
the
the
woods.
woods. Naku, pag mga in the woods.
On May the 14th of 2025, a man named Robert was walking his dog Ollie out by the woods late at night, like he does often. But on one night, his dog starts barking frantically at something deep in the woods. Wondering what could be causing his dog to act like that, he goes closer to check it out, and something horrifying happens. Watch closely.
Ollie, what are you barking at?
Ang dilim. Oo, ang dilim oh,
The
kahipi.
dog was barking hard. Man, it's a full moon tonight, yo. Full moon tonight. I don't know what the hell he's barking at. I have no idea.
May nakikita yung aso mo na hindi mo nakikita. Yun ang ibig sabihin nun.
What the hell is that?
Ano yun? Uy! May mata.
What the fuck is that?
Ayun, no?
What the
Oy! Mamma mia. Ay, ay, ay.
fuck is that, Sal?
Takbo, takbo.
A disturbing guttural growl can be heard emanating from within the woods, right as he sees a creature with glowing red eyes lurking in the darkness, just watching him and his dog. The man quickly runs out of there, not waiting to find out what it was. Many viewers said the noise it made sounded like nothing they've ever heard before, and believe it could be the Mothman, a humanoid cryptid with glowing red eyes.
Alam nyo kasi, baka may magtaka bakit hindi niya nilapitan, hindi niya pinuntahan. Pag nandiyan kayo sa senaryong yan, matatakot talaga kayo. Alam ko yung ganyan, pag nag-explore ako ganyan, ang hirap maging yung sobrang tapang. Mas maigi pa rin mag-ingat. Kaya yung ginawa nung mama nga, hindi na lang niya, mas pinairan niya yung pag-iingat, saka yung safety niya.
Let me know your thoughts on this one. If you have any video just moved in.
Just move in.
In the following video, a woman named Jeanette just moved into a new apartment and began filming her moving in process bit by bit as she unpacks everything and organizes the place, not knowing that she would soon experience true horror inside the apartment. After settling down and finishing the move, she films herself dancing to some music when she captures this.
Oh. Ano yun? May nakapasok sa bahay niya? Ay! Ito yung nakakatakot. Wala lang. Mama Mia, napasok ka? Uy! Oo nga! Oh! Bumukas yung pinto! Bumukas yung pinto?
A strange man suddenly appears in her apartment while she's recording. She called the police quickly and they checked the area, but there was no signs of any break-in. The intruder most likely came in through the door while she left it unlocked. It's not clear whether the man was captured.
Creepy nito ha. Sa totoo lang kasi, lalo na babae siya. Diba? Tapos yung lalaki, kita mo ba, ang laki ng katawan. Diba? At least thankful pa din na walang masamang nangyari sa babae na natakasan niya yung lalaki na pumasok sa kanya. O nanloob sa kanya. Pero napansin ko, bumukas yung pinto. Ewan ko lang kung napansin nyo.
When the police arrived or not. But one other strange thing that caught the attention of many is that when Jeanette is running towards the door, it somehow opens on its
ayun nga
own. She didn't notice at the time as she was overwhelmed with fear after seeing a stranger in her home. It wasn't until many viewers pointed it out in the comments that she noticed.
I don't know. I'm just as confused as you guys are. I have no idea what happened. This door is not the easiest to open, and this is why I think it's like a divine thing, or like, I don't know, a ghost, or I don't. Yeah. It's not easy. So it's not like just like the wind pushed it or anything. I think someone actually, or something, I don't know.
Jeanette is thankful to whatever opened the door for her and being able to get out safely. However, just a few nights later, while she records a video playing with her cat, something utterly terrifying happens.
Uy! May nagwawala na dyan. Yung hinga niya, oh. Mga takot na takot. Oh. Ano yan? May mga sa kama? Parang may tumuntong sa kama niya.
Once again, an intruder infiltrates her apartment. It's unclear if it's the same man, but as she hides in her room, something makes an imprint on the
Ayun nga,
bed,
oh.
as if someone got on the mattress and put pressure on it. Then, a second print appears, causing Jeanette to get scared and run to the other corner of the room. And when she turns around, the imprints are gone.
Nawala.
But a small dark thing can be seen for just a second before vanishing. Completely freaked out by the whole ordeal, she calls the police once again and decides to spend the night at her neighbor's house. This time, the police found the intruder who ran away. It's about time because this has also happened on other occasions. These paranormal occurrences seem to only happen at the same time an intruder enters her home. So just what exactly is going on here? It may seem scary, but given the fact that he assisted her with the door and was in front of her on the mattress, some people believe this is a guardian spirit that is protecting her. Either way, the police had no explanation for this. But let me know what you think. The doll. In the next video, a man purchased a strange-looking doll from a street stall for 20 Mexican pesos, which roughly equates to $1 US. The man thought the doll was a collectible, so he bought it and took it home. But soon, strange things started to happen around the house, from hearing strange noises to seeing shadows, and it has gradually gotten worse over time. It then became clear that the doll was so cheap because it was haunted. Around 5:23 in the morning, he's home alone working on his computer when he hears something strange that makes him get his phone out and record this.
Estoy trabajando. Disculpen el reguero. Ahí están mis perritos durmiendo. Son las 5:23 de la mañana. Estoy trabajando. Y de...
¡Uy! ¡Ay!
5:23.
Mamma mia, may nagsasalita.
5:24 ya, para los que dicen que...
May nagsasalita.
Para los que dicen que ocurre nada más a las 3 de la mañana. No. Son las 5 ya de la mañana. Con 24 minutos. Ahí están mis perritos. Están durmiendo. Y lo curioso es...
¡Uy!
Alexa, luz del cuarto blanco frío.
Muy bien.
Están escuchando.
Ano yung ginaya yung boses ng kasama niya?
Escuchen. Son susurros.
Huwag mo bubuksan. Huwag mong bubuksan. Ba't mo binuksan? Ay, ang dilim. Walang tao. Binuksan mo pa eh.
No hay nadie, no. Siempre los muestro que no hay nadie para que luego no digan, no, es que eso, qué sé yo, de tus amigos, de tus familiares, o lo que sea, no hay absolutamente nadie.
After hearing strange knocking sounds and voices right outside his door and all around the house, he searches the whole place but finds nothing there. A few nights later, he's working on his PC again. this time around 3:43 a.m., when something terrifying happens. Watch closely.
Son las 3:43 de la mañana. Y justo...
Ay!
Otra vez.
Totoo lang ngayon, mag-aalas 3 na din same time din. Kinikilabutan na ako
Luego empiezo a sentir adrenalina. Por eso respiro así.
Ay, naku po. Huwag mo bubuksan, please lang.
Encendí la linterna. No hay nadie. Todo está totalmente cerrado.
Huwag mo nang bubuksan.
He hears a creepy, distorted scream inside his house. But once again, when he looks around, he finds no signs of anyone or anything there. But as soon as he is about to make his way back to his room, this happens.
Meron pa. Huwag mo nang bubuksan. Ang daming ganyan, no? Ang daming ganyan. Alam mo naman sa sarili mo, nilak mo yung bahay mo. Diba? Siyempre, i-check mo yan. Diba? O unless nga, hindi mo siya chinek. Pero, di ba dapat, di ba, ilalak mo, i-check mo, papatay mong ilaw. Saka ka mag-i-stay sa kwarto. Ngayon, pag nakakaramdam ka ng ganyan, huwag mo nang entertaining. Kaya ka minumulto kasi ine-entertain pa. Gaya niyan, kumatok, binuksan mo. O, paano kung magnanakaw pala yan? Masamang loob pala yan. Gusto kang looban. Wala ka man lang daladalang kahit anong pang-protection. Mga baseball bat. O kahit anong pwedeng pamalo na kasi nga baka masamang loob yan, di ba? Kasi bubuksan pa, yan nakakaano eh.
No entiendo qué...
¡Ay! ¡Ay, may nagsalita!
Para los que me dicen que me vaya de la casa. Manchen. Es bien fácil decirlo.
Naku po. Naku, nandahan lang. Wag na. Pasok na. Ay, naku.
Something knocks on his garden door, but at the moment he opens it, there's no one there. Shortly afterwards, something is heard approaching him, and moments later, it happens again. This time, clear footsteps running towards him, scaring him back to his room. He then decides to call a friend over and conduct a Ouija board session to try and contact whatever entity may be lurking in his house and find out what it wants. But this only served to make the activity even worse. Now, the very next night, he captures something truly horrifying.
Oh. Ay, ayun nga! Ay!
A dark figure with a pale face and glowing eyes can be seen peeking out of the dark corner before disappearing behind it. The figure's face looks as though it's been burnt. The man hasn't been able to find the person who sold the doll ever since. But just who or what is this in his house? Let me know. Now can you handle this video where Anna
Biha, yan. Mga ganyan talaga, huwag kayong bibili ng mga second hand, yung masyadong mumurahin. Pag-isipan nyo muna. Kagaya niyan, tignan nyo, minulto. May kinalaman yung dahil doon panigurado eh. Diba? Kaya dapat inaalam yung history ng bagay bago bilhin. So yun, katapos tayo sa panonood, na-miss ko to si Depths of Despair ah. So subscribe kayo dito, Depths of Despair. Napakaganda ng mga video nito. Saka syempre, subscribe din kayo sa aking channel na Master Renz at pa-click na ng bell button para lagi tayong magkasama sa panonood. Siya nga pala, thank you kay Boss Rino. Nung pumisita ako sa live niya, in-encourage yung mga subscriber niya mag-subscribe din sa channel ko. Thank you, Boss Rino. Thank you. So yun, thank you so much po sa panonood and ingat po kayo palagi.